Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This video shows how to sync your SkyQ remote with updated systems. You will need the SkyQ box powered on and the remote with fresh batteries. Have the SkyQ software updated to the latest version before you start. Stand within 3 meters of the SkyQ box and avoid obstructions. Locate the small pairing button on the rear panel of the box. Keep any other infrared remotes away during pairing to prevent interference. If you use a SkyQ Mini, pair that separately after finishing this process. You can pair using the SkyQ menu or the physical pairing button on the box. Use Settings, then Remotes and Devices, then Remote Control to start pairing from the SkyQ menu. Alternatively, press and hold the box pairing button until the LED flashes amber before starting remote pairing. Pick up the remote and follow on-screen prompts to complete pairing in most cases. If on-screen prompts ask, press and hold the indicated remote buttons until the remote LED turns green. If pairing fails, first replace batteries with new AA cells or rechargeable AA rated at 1. 2V. Check battery contacts for corrosion and clean with a dry cloth before reinserting batteries. To reset the remote, hold back and for 16 seconds to force a repair attempt. If that fails, reboot the SkyQ box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug back in and retry pairing. As a last resort, remove the remote from Settings and choose Factory Reset in the Remote Control menu. Contact Sky Support if hardware fault persists after troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.